Shabba, how you doing, guys? I'm Shabba Stevo, or Stephen LJ, and welcome back to another how-to video. This time we are going to be showing you how to screenshot page on your computer and how to get that copied and pasted into Word, or whether you're going to be doing it copying and pasting into maybe Paint or any other software. We'll also show you how to save it. It's a quick basic tutorial, but before we get into it, I just want to say this video is sponsored by Mobro Beard and Grooming. They've got a new product out at the minute. It's on pre-order. It's the bronze edition, as well as many other different scents, from the navy to the cherry to the sandalwood. They've got all those available now. Links are below, but to get 15% off, go to www.mobro.co.uk/Shabba15. That will get you 15% off every purchase that you make. Anyway, for now, let's get into it. What you need to do is open up what you need to screenshot first. We're going to assume you are working on Windows. So there we have. That's the screen that we're on at the minute. We're just on my Facebook page in a minute. That is what we're going to be screenshotting. Right, okay, so we're going to be showing you how to save that. We're going to show you how to paste it into Word, and we're going to show you how to paste it into Paint as well, if you do want to edit it or you're using it for any other purpose as well. So let's get into it. No matter time, you have your page, you have your picture that you want to save or you want to screenshot. So we'll go with a simple fact. Let's just find something we want to screenshot. There you go. That's about everything really, doesn't it? You can get me live every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So on your keyboard you have your basic key. What you then need to do is there is a print screen button. It is usually above the insert home, page up, page down section of your keyboard. Check the keyboard you are using, because some keyboards you will need to press the function key or maybe the control or the alt key. Again, depending on the keyboard that you're using. We're going for a basic QWERTY keyboard, UK English layout. Again, so your print screen will be just above the insert button on the right hand side. Okay, so basically all you need to do is literally click the print screen button and you have now print screened it. So in the back end of your PC at the minute has that print screen there. So for this, I say Microsoft Word. I'm going to be using Google Documents for this. I don't use Word. Word is exactly the same process. So we've opened up Word and we are literally right click on your mouse and click paste, or the other alternative is on your keypad is Control and V, and it will do. So there are your two options: right click and paste on your mouse, or Control and then V. That will paste your image into there as it would be file. Normal, it would be a save as. Obviously on here I'll just title it copy and paste video, save it as everything you want, and away you go from there. That's it. That's your document save if you're on Word. Now we're going to go on to Paint. Paint is slightly different. On your mouse you can right click and paste. There you go. Right click and paste. You've done it. You can Control and V, and there you've done it. You can also, at this little tab in the corner here, this little corner in there, you can click on the clipboard and it will also paste it as well. So that is your three options in Microsoft Paint. Again, if you wish to edit it, crop it, whatever you want to do, that's the way you go. You would select it and you can crop or whatever you want to do from there. Select what you want to do, click the crop button, and away you go. And it's all completely edited. Again, with this, you would file your save as if you're in Windows like this. Save your document, save it to wherever you want, and it is ready to go to be imported into any way you want to, or if you wish to edit it in Paint. That is it. That is how to use your copy and your paste functions on a Windows computer, PC, laptop. Laptops are pretty much exactly the same. Your keyboard layout might be slightly different. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If it's been helpful, put below. If you've got any more questions on how to do something or a different piece of software, please let me know and I'll try and answer your questions. I will reply to everyone who comments. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button. There's loads of other videos, how-tos, gaming, and again, you can catch me live 3-4 times per week on YouTube, www.youtube.com/Shabba Stevo Gaming. You also get the Facebook page as well, which again is Shabba Stevo Gaming. Get liking, get following. Apart from that, as always, stay safe, big love, and happy gaming. Shabba.